So I'm getting ready to go on this trip to Ireland, London, and Scotland, and we're getting excited about it. So, I usually film things, and I got my GoPro chest mount out, and that thing is so big and bulky with the straps, and you got to kind of climb into it and buckle in. It's kind of uncomfortable too. So I was looking for alternative, and I came across this rubberized, kind of malleable mount that you can put around your neck. It's called the SMALLRIG Sport Camera Neck Mount. It's a little heavy with the camera on it, but not anything too uncomfortable. And so you can adjust the camera, obviously. And what I like about it is if I can just lift it on and off over my head just with this as it is. But if you really didn't want to do that, there's a button on the back here that you just push and you can lift it like that. Comes right off very easily. But if you just wanted to change the battery or your SD card without doing all that, you can just pop these two buttons on the side and it releases the magnet. And then you can obviously change your battery or your SD card or, whatever you wanted to do with that. Then when you're ready to go, you just squeeze these two buttons and it pops right back in. I'm getting used to it still a little bit, so it's a little awkward for me right now without looking. What I kind of like about it too is that if you're just walking normally, it's fine, But if you were going to do some sort of a sport mode or climbing or hiking or even biking, you can actually just cinch these real tight kind of around your neck, and it provides a little bit more stabilization. So it's not just kind of like swinging around like that. You could just pinch it right here, not too tight, obviously, and then you can readjust and it stays right there. So we're going to give it a try. It's called the SMALLRIG. I didn't see a lot of videos on it, so I thought I'd create one. Just something short just to get a feel for it. It's heavy, but it's got this nice thick rubber part in the back. Again, if I wanted to, I could take this off and wear a jacket over it. Really, no one would even know it's there. But, just want to do a quick video. I'll put a link for it. It was $20 on Amazon. Thought I'd give it a try. I'll put a link in the description if you want to give it a try. Not bad. All right, thanks.